my 2003 Toyota RAV4. I'm changing the muffler, and as you can tell right there, that's where it connects. It's just 2 bolts, and the muffler hangs on these rubber things, whatever they're called. It's a little pain to pull them out, but that's all that's holding it. It's just those 3 hangers. And once you take this off, the 2 bolts, you got to clean it up real nice. You want to get rid of the old gasket, and then I'll show you the new gasket. It's right here. It's a crushable metal washer. Make sure you clean it all nice. Make sure it fits evenly. So you got that. And the installment is the reverse. And I'll show you what I picked up. I picked up one of these things on Amazon. It's stainless steel. I'll just compare it to the old one. The old one, if you notice, you got a hole right there. It's a little bit beefier. The hangers are basically the same. It's a little bit thicker, beefier, because it has an outer case on it. But look at the tailpiece. I mean, the bracket is nice and beefy. I like it. It even has its own end that they beveled it with the machine. If you want to add in there a nice piece like the old one, you can do that too later on, but I don't think I really need it. It's cosmetic, but hopefully this works out nice, and I'll show you once it's hung up, installed, how it looks. Just so you know, I jacked it up a little bit just to give me some room. Makes the job much easier. And of course, get a creeper, that would help as well. All right, hang on, I'll show you the finished product. All right, here it is. It's all finished. It was easier to hang than to remove. I just want to show you what flange is. Right there. I use stainless steel bolts. I use 3/8. I use a locking nut, which prevents it from unthreading. And you can see in between, you get a better view. There's that gasket in between. Now, it doesn't have to be crushed all the way. It's almost impossible because that's a metal gasket. But you crush it just enough that it makes the nice seal. I did it without a torque wrench. I tightened it as much as I could, and I think that should be good. Just make sure you see the thread coming out of the nut. Make sure it's the same on both sides so that it's even. I put a little bit of put some washers in it too. And that should be it. I mean, it's a nice muffler. There you go. And the company that makes it is right there. Northeastern Exhaust. Like I said, I'll put in the description the item number from Amazon. It's an easy replacement. It's not difficult to do. Just works safe. For $150, you get a stainless steel muffler that should last you for a long, long time. Thanks for watching.